So another update, I have moved all the fig trees in baskets on the concrete so they don't start to root on the soil. Now I realized that I don't have to do that because I can just put something in between, which is funny. I didn't think of that before. It was so obvious. You can put something in between so they don't root through. But anyway, I did that. And I can always put them back. I put them on top of here. I just want to make more use of this space. I moved the citrus lower. I'm gonna put them on top of the soil because it's cooler. This I cut and I'm gonna use them as mulch. It's quite dry now. It's just given like about a week and it's bone dry. I'm going to attach the irrigation pipe and it's gonna go through all of the pots and the baskets, all of them here. So that's one. By the way, these are starting to open up. This is interesting as well. I wanna see which variety this is. Andelunica, interesting. Okay, because not all of them started. We've had a chilly night. Well, sort of chilly. It was about 3-4 degrees. The cercis is starting to flower as well, just about. Now, the dual color little mini roses are not doing very well. They're still alive, but yeah, the shoots are drying, and anyway, we'll see what happens with them. Some are okay. The bulbs are coming along well. I put more fertilizer. The pear is also coming out, but I don't know if there's roots supporting this. It may just be that they're just stored energy inside the plant, and the fact that it's shooting out is just using that energy, which in turn will help it root, but we'll see. This is still alive. So we'll see if it's going to root well. Now the jasmine is doing extremely well. Extremely well. There's some very healthy growth coming out. These are the other. So I lowered them because one, I needed to use the baskets. Two, they don't really need to be, because now the sun is getting to them in the morning anyway. And also, as the temperature warms up, they are going to be negatively affected by the fact that the sun can reach the pots. Because I'm even considering removing the pallets underneath, but we'll see what happens with that as well. The roses are okay. So far so good. This is several days from opening up, but still it's there, it's progressing. And so do some of the others. This is fascinating. It's changing colors. This is the cherry brandy. It has mild fragrance. But yes, it's quite big, a big flower. So yeah, it's quite big. Now I have repotted quite a few plants. So these are the ones from Lidl's. I got a yellow polyantha from Lidl's as well, which I don't know if it's gonna do very well. It's still alive, but I didn't see any roots on it, so again, we will see. These are the previous. I have bought this previously. Again, these are mini roses, and some of them are bicolored, and there should be some that are the fragrant one as well. So I'm curious where I put that one actually. Anyway, I repotted the Badlias. There's the 6 of them right here. This is the Cestrum nocturnum. And I have tested the system. It's working okay. It's not perfect. One of the problems is that here the water drips on the plants themselves. Some plants, so I have to move the pots in a certain way to avoid that, but that's the best I can do for that without doing too much work. Right here I'm probably gonna do an extra pot maybe, because I can. The wisteria is coming along. I just need to figure out if it's an American one or an Asian one. I need to see where it rotates to, how it twines itself. The pomias are good. I have moved the mints, the spearmint and the peppermint, into these plastic ones, and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this to layer this plant. It's not looking very well, but I've seen some healthy shoots, so it should be fine. This is looking a bit better. The wisteria is still asleep. This is on its way to like burst. This and this and this. This is the Imbaxiae, the Rosa Imbaxiae. This is also coming along very well. Still disappointed with this passion flower. So we'll see what happens with this one. It's a bit of a question mark, that one. These are coming along well as well. Trachelospermum, the honeysuckles. This one is, well, it's okay. I just discovered that it was full of aphids, and they might even be from Germany as well. So we'll see. But I've seen healthy roots and it's got some foliage on, so okay. I'm optimistic, but again, we will see. The kiwi, this is the Jenny, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Jenny. And the one next to it is the Issai. Both are shooting out. And it's also interesting to see that this one has come out earlier than this one, as a note. So that's pretty much it for now. I'll update later.